He don't come here. He don't come here to elevate people. He don't come to bring good life. He don't come to bring better life. He don't come here to bring better life. The king, he don't come to bring transformation to win people. He don't come here. He don't come here. He don't come here. He don't come here. I said the king, he don't come here. He don't come. He don't come. He don't come to transform people. He don't come. He don't come here to helping people. He don't come. He don't come here for a new life. He don't come here to bring transformation. He don't come here. To bring change, to bring change.
Are we sure that he's still coming?
You know, Lagos is a very far place. But they called this morning and said that he's very close to the village now and that we should gather here. That was why I went and called all of you.
Because are we going to start this meeting when your nephew arrives without the presence of Ichie Okike, Ichie Thomas and Nzewan and Ofo?
I made sure I invited them. So they failed to show up. Well, we don't have option than to go on. And after the meeting, we communicate to the Igwe whatever Donna had to tell us.
Manabiao, Ichie Okorie.
My chairman.
What is it that our son, your nephew, Donatus Okorie, wants to tell us that demanded this urgency?
My chairman. Ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu. Si na ngwugwu a ga-atọ atọ nwe uru ọba nke megịnị ka dị na-atụpe ya atụpe. And ịma na ụkwara na-aka mma ọnụ egburu ya nụ. So all I heard him say is that it's something that will benefit this community tremendously. Yes, let's just wait for him. I know he will surely come. Yes.
Okay, tell him. Okay.
Here he comes.
Are you sure that is Donatus? Exactly. Because he's looking like those people that we see in these Oyibo films that our children watch.
It is Donatus, my late brother's son. I will recognize him anywhere he is, even if he is dressed like in turbans. Welcome, my son. Welcome, welcome. I can't remember that. What do you know? No. Ask me, nigga. Surely come. Yeah, you're welcome. I'm going to chicken liver. No, good nature. Oh, Jamaica. Oh, Jamaica.
Do I believe the Don? Is he really what he says he is? Do I give him a chance in my life? What if he is real? What if he makes it? What if he succeeds?
Donatus Okoye, are you sure over what you've just told us? What do you call me?
Ah, Afagan.
Afagan. I don't do such nonsense. Huh? What? Do you know what? Let me tell you. My name is Don. All over the whole world. Don. Don King. Say it.
Don King.
Don King. Go ahead.
Because, sorry, Don King. Are you sure that our people are going to benefit from this large amount that you are talking about? By just dancing and winning a competition?
See, I'm not going to back play here. A serious matter be that. I guess some two maybe say if they feel dance into it, finish. People will win, I go carry them go Lagos, go sign them. Show them to my partner. They will pay them 10 million naira.
No,
10 million naira. Sorry, Don King. Don King. Huh? Or whatever you are known as now. My son, 10 million naira. It's not the type of money somebody can crack joke with. Please open your mouth. You still have the opportunity. Tell your people that you are sorry. It was a slip of tongue. Hey, Chineke. My son, our popular Kunecheyi dance is hired for 3,000 naira to those who need it. The most expensive of them is the Okanga dance featuring two Omebes, Yabo Okorocha and Okoroji. They go for 4,500 naira.
4,500 naira.
While Ogene dance, those women dances and various dancing groups, they go for between 1,000 naira and 2,000 naira. Okay. Ebeka's 10 million naira. Huh? Do you know that this type of money you mentioned, 10 million naira, can fill up this whole community? Huh?
Hi. My God.
Uncle, are they shame? Oh, I'm 10 million can you come again? I will tell you. No go talk this thing for where my partners. When I call them come, I come ashamed say I come from this place, man. Come on, 10 million. Let me tell you, people, I am Don King. I go inside the bush and pick monkeys and make them stars.
Monkey?
Superstars, mega stars. I'm using idiom. Pick them from dustbin, gutters, make them human. I'm telling you people what is coming to you and you're talking about something. 3,000, 2,000. Uncle, I'm disappointed. Hey. Oh, 10 million naira. This is a contract given to me. It's not a bad idea. Say I carry that contract to come to my community. Make my people benefit. I begin fear 10 million naira. Nobody they pay them. Nobody me they pay them. This is not company. Nobody they work, they pay this money. Oh. And when they pay this money, I go don't collect my own benefit. Collect my allowances. My everything. That 10 million naira with fingertips. And what did they give them? Give the winner. I know begin to tell you how much me I take because we are telling now somebody don't faint.
Ah. Now I believe you. Don
King. To you, King.
King.
Okay, sorry, Don King.
Yeah.
Well, you can go on with your plans. We shall inform the Igwe. And if he demands to see you over this, we shall let you know.
Oh, God.
Our people shall be so happy. And the Anna, shall bless you if it come to pass.
Take it, baby. Take it, baby. Take it, baby.
Take.
Okay, see, Kenezi. You're a good guy.
1 million. 10 million. Where are you?
Huh?
Are you in on a million?
Supporting him to support me, or are you somewhere else?
I will even dance. I will even join the competition.
Okay, one hour. Ijele nwa. Ogechi anu itoku. Ekra me play tato. Obi oworo ogbo. Ekwengi. Deje.
Sugar, baby, where they carry this thing they go now, sugar? Huh? Where now? Where you they go now? Where you they go into? Huh?
Chief, I am going to do something very important.
Without holding me? Huh? Without holding me or trying to be telling me? Hold me as a Chief Mentus, as Elisiako, as Ojiega Mogo. Look at you. Me, a whole chief, when they do all the merchandise. As a merchant, huh? They make all the money. Now me they carry money buy trouble. Then they use trouble. Look at you. You not gonna tell me where they go to.
Chief.
Yes.
I must not tell you everything I do. I'll give you a call.
You go call. See, if they call who? As I close my eyes, no. Make a carry your bag. Go wait for me for that room. Go back to that hotel room, idiot. Look at you. Calling me. You don't ever calling me before. Upon say I go use my hot cash what I make from the selling of a clan shop. Black pad. They buy you 100,000 naira phone. You they blacking it. Buy you 200,000 naira phone. Blacking it. Even at this latest, what do they call it? Samuel Sansam Galavi. I buy them for you blacking it. Yeah? Upon that, I go make all this money till I load your phone. Load them well with credit enough, more than enough credit. Instead of you to calling me, you go there flashing me. Upon that, I go cool down. Saying after all, now my sugar one, baby one, why they build? We go become my new castle for Dubai. Upon all that, instead of you to calling me, you go there flash me. Then immediately now, as a man will rob you, I go just telephone you sharply to be sure say you are okay. You say you go there calling me. You the fool who? Huh? You don't ever call me. Carry that back, get back inside that room. No. Like where? Yeah. Sugar! You don't enter. Sugar, one baby. Hey! So this girl go want do me like this, so piam, fum nanyam, mbano. After all, I mean they carry out my money. They buy you anything where you want buy. Now me they use my money, lend you till it bedroom flat. They pay. Upon that I go use my hard money, cash. Buy you crayon, and that one where you they call foundation, where they take the patch up body. You think I know? No. Buy you pencil, where they carry do your this thing for your eyes and for your mouth. Even the stockings where they wear, where they call leggings. Not me you that buy them, not my hard cash money. You carry them. I remember that cassette why I buy you. That cassette why I buy you. Where you carry the call push up. You say they carry them breast where those spoil. You go take and push them up. I buy you all these things. You can't do me vananya. You no go walk. Open over there no. Mbano. As a man to says Elisia. Yeah, Joe. What's your this? I fight those. Go back to this hotel. Major Ikembe of retired Armed Force Ruling Council salute the only man that walk out the way from Lagos Yankee to scatter our village with money. Honorable OPC, DSP, Dr. Sir, OSS, USS, VIP, Don the King.
Twale, sir.
Who Nabi?
Sir, now we be the security of this domain.
We are. I am Sergeant Ikembe.
No, Major Ikembe.
Major retired Ikembe.
Retired.
Tete. And my friend here is.
No, you go talk your own. Make I talk my own. Sir, me be the only NYSC of this town. I don't serve since 1986. So love my job, retire. Still retain the uniform. Still they serve again, sir. That's why I put them. I still they work.
Okay, sorry, I don't need anybody, I beg. I want day alone.
See, Oga, the kind money where we hear say you won't carry enter this community. No be waiting you go the waka alone. No. You need people like us to stand behind you. Get the bam. If you enter bush or bathroom say you want peace, now so we go stand behind you. They watch, the security you. Then you enter again say you want go shit. Two of us go stand, bam, come close our nose, back order. Close our nose like this. They security you. Then you come enter room, say you want sleep. Two of us like this, and so we go lie down, close our eyes. They security you. At final, you come be like say you want, do like this. Two of us go come jiklalo wine, go hold ourselves like this. Come the security you. We no go do.
So you know fit, work alone. We need to give you CIA, security, SSS.
RIP.
Who you call RIP?
I thought I'm.
Sir, sorry, no mistake, sir. It's VIP, sir. It's VIP, sir. Very important person, sir.
Okay.
VIP. No be RIP now for dead people. Okay. So I'm a VIP. PP. No, VIP, sir. VIP.
Thank you.
Sorry, so for really now they do anything, eh? You say you retire from police. You can't go steal their uniform, because they wear me. You want they can come guide me, put me for trouble. Yeah? Retired. You don't serve since 1986. Reach today, you see they wear NIS.
I love them. I like I love my job, sir.
You don't even fit wash and keep them clean.
Organ are busy. If you see we had the command traffic, they come. You like me? They come. I'm busy. I don't get time to wash up.
Okay. I can see say when they happy. If not be somebody send on a man I can't kill me. When they happy, men I work with me happy.
Oh, exactly. With our hearts.
No one guide me happy.
With our hearts, our strength.
I go so proper security uniform when I go take work. Huh?
Hey, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm a professional.
Oh,
Thank
to the
you.
call.
thank you, sir. Shows for guy.
So if no one guide me, you don't even get you.
When I dey come, the thing come cut.
It's a pass cut.
Cut.
It's a pass a cut.
Yes.
It's a keep back that beg to open it.
A cut.
But allow them make una work with me. If I'm not go fuck up.
When they crazy.
Now we the three fuck up. How we go come fuck up?
How we go come fuck up? Hey! Now you be the boss. You as you dey go now, we dey front.
No, be like that.
You dirty well. So you're not going to follow me come out today. The uniform is complete.
Hey. I woke up on mine.
Okay, sir.
No.
Okay, sir.
None again.
No. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. I don't win work. I don't win
Don
work.
King, he don't come here. He don't come to elevating people. Oh, I said Don King, he don't show. He don't come to elevating people, oh. Hey, he don't come here.
Good afternoon. I beg you, Namangu village be this?
Yes, anything.
Okay. You get any good hotel where I stay for like some days?
I know of one. I'm my auntie home. I'm my rose home. You go like and well. Come make I carry you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Come here, oh, to bring better life here. Don't king, he don't come to bring transformation to win people, oh. He don't come here, he don't come here, oh. He don't come here, he don't come here.
Like how many groups will you don't get?
Like, I say na 5 or 6.
No, you know, we never reach now. About 2 or 3.
Now you the right now.
Now well done, no.
No be well done. When you see officers of the law, federal officers, you say Munsa.
Monsa.
All correct. All correct.
Adwaya.
Ajwaya.
Yeah.
Hey, now food we carry come for Amu, and it gets one fine music we want dance for them.
Umwada.
Umwada.
Look at the way the yellow they do her own.
Man,
I say that driving motor.
In fact, we won't win that money. Now make you say we won't see them in private.
Private. Private.
Okay. And we are men of private.
We are men of privacies.
Yes. You say you carry food, have you?
Now food now.
Okay, that's good. And to carry this food, go give Honorable OPC VIP SMS, the Honorable Don, the King. It's not easy.
Yes,
it's not just go in and go out like that. The thing go pass many processes.
Yes.
For instance, example, process 1, process 2, process 3, can't enter process 4. By then, you know, a lot of things, many things don't happen to you people, either in or out. Many people don't happen.
Many things like what?
Plenty things like plenty things.
Yes.
Wait, oh, the thing no get name.
No be say if you need a name, I can give you a name here and now. We call them biology human self verification. That is to peek into you for your data. For instance, example now, that food, we have to take the food to our NAFDAC lab where we will downgrade, you know, pieces and tore into pieces the content of the food. And after that, now we go transfer the food to our scientific lab food science verification. Then at that junction now we go end anything about the food. Are you with me? We go now come back, come take both of you, enter into our machine, you know, where we will now nyopiotic into your yes, nyopia into your eyes for a bird flu, Ebola, Obanjaism,
even akuku.
Yes, more important. Yes, and akuku more importantly. And there's another one, period.
Okay, periodic.
Yes, you are right. Yes, periodic, you know, biological woman free. And after that one, now me, it's either me go give you a holy bath, that's I'll bath you, or him go bath you a holy bath, depending on our choice.
Pure holy bath.
Pure bath, depending on your choice. You know, his choice and my choice.
You know.
So, una too, want us to go backyard, go naked for una. It no go happen.
But no be like that. Depending the way you are going, that's what you say.
So your own good.
Yes.
For your own benefit.
But you know they've naked for us. Or for me, God forbid. And when my football, no, I've seen a lot of things. You know, you're naked for your 10 million naira.
10 million.
Or even the naked to win the dance, the best dancer of the whole federation of the year. You got to go. Or even use go my eyes. I'm not even interested in seeing you. Where my football no. I've forgotten a lot. I've seen a lot.
If you like, use what you no go even see at all. I no go do am. It no go happen.
You know go happen. No, just choose between 10 million naira and just ordinary naked. As long as you go here, don't even go to market. Just me and me. Choose 10 million, no, you will lose. Oh.
Now 10 million would they talk about?
Oh.
10 million.
Oh.
Get back your body. 10 million. By hey, Gejo. Open.
This thing one that they do, no good though. You no good at all. You no good.
You no good. The one they do good. Waiting God to give one a free. God will say give free and it shall be received free. Give you free. Now
imagine just
your own good.
Just to naked yourself.
Ordinary nakedness where people they rush here, they do. I mean, even since when they here, they don't naked 4 times. I hear me 4 times. You no longer need work.
Don't mind them.
Do they are opening?
Don't mind them.
What is there? Did you use iron padlocker? Not be only to boom.
Let's go collect these people. Leave these people, John.
Bring the food. Are you going with the food?
Food.
No, I say you can take yourself and drop the food.
Nah, you recover with 10 million.
Nonsense. No do, no winning.
Was it like the Ishimbada? Is it good? Like I tested now, you know, see na be able tester. What on I will you collect? I will see you here. This is the type I am missing in China. Toto, make I tell you my problem with baby one sugar one. I don't know why she's going to treat me like this now. It's no good. Why she's going to treat me like this now? Hey, look at me now, baby. Baba cash. Now me get money for this countryside, eastern part of this country. I get my money, make sure they react well, you know, one react well. Huh? Look at me, we don't make enough money. Money for trouble. Huh? Money for family problems. Money for monas. Even enough money where I don't get, make I carry, they give me baby, including my sugar baby as number 1. Huh? Makawai will that baby sugar leave without telling me where she they go. So I carry and they follow and they run after her. The Taziwe and Jetta. This girl there, you get heartless. I pursue her. So make it stop at least, make I know where they go. You know one told me. They hold me, you good? If I go to China. Don't worry. I shouldn't worry. When you sugar finish eating our cash, with those small boys. She was running, come back to us. So that you supply her with another cash. Then we will teach her what we do with the crankshaft. We're no good. Chocho, look at you know you be my brotherly, you be my friend, I'm my business empire. I no gonna tell you lie. Yeah, me, general merchant. The trouble with them now be say, I don't fall into the latrine of love, the pit of latrine of love. Now there I did so. So when I go to my warehouse to look at my shop, a whole big West African shop where contain crankshaft pass. The only thing why they see now is sugar baby one. All my crankshaft businesses, all branches everywhere. Subsidizing branches, baby sugar why they see. I go check my engine department, that is a warehouse, where they store tantam engine. Waiting I they look, I go they look with sugar baby in my place I they see. Out of a black pad. The same story, old story. Eh? You know our wisest man, Ugwemba Holdings. I go say make a consultant see him. I tell him, this is my problem. He laugh. So they come, they tell me say, as a man to say, I could say I don't enter with love. saying I love they kill me. Okay, I say, make I die inside that love. No wahala, no problem. But make the people sugar make it die. Oh God. Oh, baby, me go na Japan. Ebanye go kwana. Yeah? Now him be say he don't enter for love be that. You see? Which means see? We was going to wait for her here. Oh? We should be looking for her in the University of Education campus. Which one we could do? Hey now I'm bidding na Ibugomu. You are the man of wisest man of the East. You get every wisdom. We go searching for her, and I might want. Before I go learn out of love. And those small boys go down carry them from me, take them away from me finally. Then waiting I go there they do. No, I don't do that. We will go searching for her. We'll go looking for her. Catch it. If I come another word, I will teach my mother to name me Mr. Catch. And then you are going to follow. Because if you're friend indeed, a friend in good. Why you over there? I there here. Give me eye now. Give me eye.
I will hide here and observe his activities. If he's real, I shall know. If not, I will leave him for my money bag, Chief Mentos.
Like I've said, do you have any problem? Do you have any problem with me? No, sir. Any problem? No, sir. So we'll carry on. This is why they do not be joke. You hear me, sir? We will play one sound now. When I go dance some the way we take play. You get any problem with it?
No, sir. No, wahala. No wahala.
Don King, please.
Don King.
Don King.
Yes. No wahala. Now here at the score now. Anybody when do well, as well as do them, his name don't enter here. Because it no go good man carry anybody when no get sense, when no sabi do them. Go give company where send me come. The money go come out. Me I go take my own, they go give it on my own.
Yes, sir.
The person go climb higher. Not be small picking thing, no. No forget when you dey dance, they smile. When they see your beauty. Anyway, even if you're ugly, no worry. The laugh go do am well. Eh? If you get better teeth. Eh?
Yes, sir.
Just laugh. I'm not supposed to give you this expo. Your teeth matter. Unless you know wash them. You hear me, sir? Now then we'll take that. Eh? balance. Zog. Shake your body. Hey. Nagwea. Jibo.
our company.
Don King, he don't come here. He don't come to elevating people.
Chocho, my very good friend. My very, very, very good friend, partner in associate partnership. Well, I did very, very happy for you. Thank you very, very much for all these Nkwobi, Isheu, Oba, no Boroko, and you can't daliquated everything where they give me vitamin K. You know me now, I can't deliquate them because of different liquor. I'm very happy, but that happiness now for you, you know now.
Thank you. You are welcoming without any problem, my very good friend in Partnership Business Association. You see, it is you who supplying me with the crankshaft and motor spare parts before I travel to China for my own business. You see, so if I supply you with the Nkwobi, it are for nothing. You see, so what is a longo in you chopping my own small cash?
Chocho, I am understanding you very, very well. I understood you. But let me tell you the truth. The truth is that, you see, my heart, upon every other thing where you don't do, my heart is still testing bitterly. For real.
Japan. Your heart is not testing bitter leaf. It is because of sugar, my baby.
How can I go there happy when my sugar one day with me? You remember how in the chocolate now I go there. Sometimes I go carry game for more. I be happiness now. You see the test bitter leaf, you are light. Sugar, where I go get up.
Don't get a problem. I will go and see I can confuse my wife. I will be telling her I am traveling to Ogun State to meet my land agent, to showing me the place I am building factory. If I successful conviction her, then I will telephone you. We will charter small motor vehicle that will take us to campus of higher university. I will catch your sugar. Give you.
Come give me. Ibugon Chocho, let me tell you this. If you try do exactly what you tell me now, I go there telling everybody, say you be the best of my friend. Then I go pay you back. Compensation pay you by supplying you with 40-50 container of crankshaft. Even black pad I go put them. Adam, don't pay me. You go pay me when you don't sell and make all their profit. For Bombay, they will say payable whenever. Do that as you see me do it.
Original. Not Taiwan.
You idiot. You idiot. I don't teach you business to finish.
Criminal. Associate. Over Japan.
I don't teach you business.
Over China.
You must teach me how to recover my baby.
Over Dubai.
Now you the claim say, now you be guy, pass me. Make you no carry guy go for Pandocha.
Hey!
It's not like that. Confiscate your wife and make it sleep.
No, I know.
Thanks for the information. I'm very grateful.
Always at your service.
I know. I never knew I could find someone like you in this village. But I'll call you anytime I need you.
And I shall be there.
Thank you.
That's one.
Thank you.
Okay. Alright.
Osiso. Adwaya! Why are you still here?
Sir?
Why are you still here?
Okay. As far as say my Oga Don still there in this house. My security, in fact, my contract never finished. Our contract na 26, 27, 28 hours job a day. You know, non-stop security.
I don't believe you because I heard a voice as I was sleeping. The voice behind this house, sounding like that of a woman under serious operation.
So you heard the noise?
Yes.
It might be all this witchcraft. Which side, sir?
Don't worry, let me go and check.
Sir, which side? How can you take this kind of powerful risk? Come back, sir. Come back, sir.
Listen, Ajawaya, I even heard the voice of some, footsteps crossing through zinc and some metals.
There's a matching. It may be all this in the winch, all this wizard.
Let me check and see.
No, sir, come back now. Sir, come. Sir, come. You know, they not train you in that manner. If you go there now and if you be Titus, what this enemy won't capture done, they will capture you. You know, once they capture you or done, not the same thing. 100 million, 150 million, or even point. So which I know you can't even pay. It's only done that will pay to release you, sir. Sir, honestly, you are not praying.
I'm sure of what
That is come. Hey! Sir, you see what I'm telling you?
Ajawaya!
Sir?
So this is what you and Dikembe, this is what you are doing behind my house.
No. Sir, let us confirm. If you can call her back now, let us know where she they come out from.
For information. You go.
Sir, not like that.
I will tell my son.
No, on behalf of that innocent boy, let me beg, sir. Don't tell your son.
Don't let us hear this.
Sir, let us confirm this thing. Let us confirm.
Let's stay there and die.
Shake, sir. Sir, I'm on my knees, sir. Don't allow this innocent boy, Ikembe, to be sad for no reason, sir. Because I'm sure it's not me. I can't even behave like that. It must be that boy. I don't even know why I'm begging you. You see me with that girl. I don't even know whether I'm a girl or a boy or a woman. After I wasn't the one. Okay. You don't even see me with
My fellow associate in general merchandise.
See, you are my partner chief in this business merchandise of Japan and Italy.
That's what you talk about. Now you be my mentor in craft shafting business and brake pad business. Now you tutorize me.
It's a man to now you teach me this business. You carry me for hand go Japan, show me business. I don't grateful.
Jojo, I am now happily say you finally came so that we can went to search for her together. You know, see my Bible told and say, if they talk like this, verily, I say unto you that you are indeed a Tulu friend, a genuine friend indeed. Hey, a friend indeed is a friend indeed.
You saw it well, You saw, you give me money, I become a rich man. You see, so this is the time for me to
retaliate. I go follow you. No, sorry. I was follow you to that school of polytechnic education to search for ya. Hey! This is the time for us to enter into that park. When we enter there now, we go chatter good motor. Gosh, you know be our problem now. We get well balancing. We go carry us straight to that Polytechnic School of Education. Education. When we get there now, we go catch up. Cali baby come back. That time our entertainment. Now that time will begin. You see, as a man too. Now you carry knife. Now you hold yam. Yes. If you cut it, cut him. Anybody you give, go chop full mouth. Chocho, I'm giving you knife and I'm giving you yam. You go chop all of them together. Yeah, mama.
Okay. You see, now lie, why they lie against me? How can me, a whole sergeant, full grown sergeant like me, where get 6 ranks? Go leave my work, come go, they do anointing deliverance service worship. Are they crazy?
If na lie, you know me as a honest man. As I'm where in there that night, where supposed to on his duty post. Where you there?
No, be me tell you say, bread why I take drink in the afternoon. They do me run and purge, oh no. I can't go shit. Don't be shit, I go, no tell you.
Hey, shut up, man.
Oga say shut up.
You self shut up.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
See your equipment where I tell you work from. See ya. Stupid people. Brad, when we say if somebody chop like this, before the person will go to the toilet, you go burn like pikin.
Oh, you see him.
Because you go block everywhere. You're not purge, they purge you. I don't want vex. I don't make anybody think something go make me begin. I go keep person for here. I don't want. I don't get any power to talk on a matter. No be when they here come spoil something where I get for mind for this community. Me. When I come spoil them. When I not fit. Make una pack to una property. Me na pack and come out for here. Pack and come out for here. I don't want to see una again.
Hey.
Oga, for you no go day here now, you go day useless, say you day here. After everything, you can't drag us come out. Put your mouth into this thing. That time where your foul they lost, now me catch them right-handed, come bring them, deliver them to your care. Tamper now, Biko.
Oga Biko, but justice na mess it tamper her together. Na me put him out now. That your he go to where they rape all the female goats for this village that time. As they catch him for village square as they want killer. Na me, he came back. Na me go carry myself. As they want hit him like this, he boy. Na me come land by. Say me don't leave him. May they kill me, make I die for your goat. You go there here, they go pursue me.
Jesus you.
Thank you, sir.
Don, you know, we've been friends since our elementary school. Please forgive them. They're still children. They don't even know the direction where to put food in their own mouth. Forgive them.
I can do anything for you. I don't go home. Go home.
Hey, Oga now. Oga Biko, the justice na mess it.
Akwa ibera ni no kwa yin.
Takoto her together.
Ibera ni
Biko.
Biko.
Pardon us. If there is no sin, forgiveness, Amande.
Yes, Biko.
We will be church.
Okay.
Oga, we are children, no?
I know.
Oga, don't worry. We are now adults.
Yeah.
If an adultery now.
Okay, no problem. Okay. Pack up this.
Oga, Kolabi.
Pack him.
Nda. Hey, I need it.
If you not pack him now, your back will turn to front.
You won't take your own now.
Bring me my own.
Patawi,
I know you like this.
Sugar.
Do you have brown sugar?
Not for me, Cali go. Me, I stick to my sugar. Collect sugar.
You would like it.
No. Forget about my friend in business partnership associate. He is not interested in Kena Mukenderi.
You won't like it.